Hello my friends, welcome back, and we are continuing our marathon, my favorite breakfast lunch, and today we're cooking a simple one. It's a poached egg with mushrooms, tomatoes, bacon and brioche bread. It's very delicious. I recommend you to have one. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the pan fry, to the kitchen, and pan fry our bacon and mushrooms. And we have to make a poached egg, so I'm gonna show you how to do it in the kitchen. First of all, we're gonna have to bake the bacon. The reason we're frying the bacon first, because it's gonna give its own juice, and we can do afterwards the bread on it, on that oil basically, and mushrooms. The fat bacon squeezes out of itself. It's actually super delicious, better than the regular oil we're cooking on. Okay, our bacon is ready. See, we have a lot of fat oil. Going to cook the bread. Make it a bit crispy, yellow, so crunchy. And of course, after that, like maybe 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on that side, we're going to put mushrooms in it. And the last part will be the poached egg on top. I would say it's already ready. Just don't need much of it. Mushrooms. And mushrooms would be also great on the same oil. We don't change anything. We don't add anything. Actually, I would add a bit oil because the bread took most of the juice out of it. Probably we should have do first mushrooms and then put the bread on it. If you're going to do it, put mushrooms first, then bread. I did it because I want to put mushrooms already on top of it. I can smell the mushrooms. It's all over the kitchen and the whole apartment. Oh my gosh. Do it when you're hungry. Do it when you're hungry only. Like in another video I said, don't do it when you're hungry. No, do it when you're hungry, especially in the morning, because the breakfast is the most important thing you can have in the whole day, not at night. And the last part, we have to put poached egg on top and cut our beautiful tomato. First one. Okay. Our brioche poached egg with mushrooms and bacon are ready. Just have to put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And in the end, cheese. Like, well, I think I don't need to try it to show you that how good it is, because it's great for sure. I know it. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, and try it at home, and let me know in the comments down below about your experience, because my coffee is ready. See you soon. Bye bye.